What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Unboxing with Scott, where today it's our holiday special, and this is actually one of my most requested unboxings ever. This was actually sent in by a few fans, and today we're going to be unboxing a Wilton Ready Decorate Gingerbread House Kit. Alright, so on the top of the box you got a nice example here, a nice decorated gingerbread house. I guess this is just a suggestion. You don't have to do it exactly like this. We'll see. On the front of the box here, you got the same image, and see, it comes with everything you see here. A little miniature house, much smaller than the one in the other pictures. Hopefully you get both. There's a white carrot, clown nose, mint licorice, festive deer droppings, and what looks to be some red and green thimbles. So you get all that, and let's see, that decorating bag is 1 to 12 inches long, anywhere in that range. You get one tip, and it's about 33 ounces, 2.1 pounds, or 955 grains. Again, just a suggestion, you don't have to do it exactly like this. There might be other ways. Let's see, so a little more details on this side about what the kit contains. Again, you got all these guys here. So I got a pretty big gingerbread house, 3 types of candies, 1, 2, 3, red fondant, don't see that, I just see a clown nose, ready to use icing, decorating bag, helpful instruction sheet. Okay, so for when you don't know how to decorate a gingerbread house, it's going to tell you how. Okay, so this over here was just a suggestion. This is an option, but there is something you have to do. Always follow the instructions. You don't want to get hurt, alright? You're also going to need a few other ingredients, it sounds like, so you don't have everything you need here. You're also going to need a rolling pin and a few other tools here, alright? Yeah, there's a lot of specialty tools there that not everyone might have. Okay, so on the back here, you can, add more fun by choosing the second design. I don't know if that's really more fun than the first one. If we look at the first one again, and head back to the second here, you know, honestly, I think the first one is more fun, and the second one's a little bit less fun. I mean, you can only make one house with this, so you gotta decide. There might be other options. Sounds like you got instructions, tips, ideas, videos, and more at their website, which is pretty handy. But I mean, calling this one more fun than the first one, I just don't see it. And I get you trying to make your packaging attractive, but just don't lie like that. Don't blatantly lie in your packaging. Some companies. Over here, nutrition facts. Okay, okay. That's about what I would normally eat, after decorating a gingerbread house. I normally eat about 1/31st of that house, so that makes sense. There you go. Got all your nutrition facts. There's all your ingredients. If you want to look at that, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Sorry guys, I had to go grab a knife there. So over here on this side, we'll slide through. Alright, there's that side. This side's got some tape too. Cut through that. Over here, one more side. If we can get the knife in there, there we go. That should do it. Let's see what's inside. Alright. It's a bit of a mess. I'd like to see a little better presentation than this, but let's see. Quick looks. Appears that everything is intact. There's your icing bag there. And here you got hopefully some icing. It's rather squishy. Feels like icing. I got the house there. Let's see what else we can pick out. Got your deer droppings. Let's see. Decorating fun flavored fondant. Well, that's not my favorite flavor, but it's not bad. Everyone loves fun. You got your mint licorice, of course. And, yes, thimbles. Alright, moving along. Let's see if we can get this house out of here. Nice and sturdy. I'm a little disappointed I don't see the miniature house from the front of the box. I'm just seeing the full-size house. I don't know if maybe it could be inside. I'm not seeing anything left in the box here besides our tip here. That'll go with the icing. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up, see what she looks like on the inside. Kind of difficult with one hand, guys. We'll just... Trust me, we're getting there. Okay. Looking like a regular gingerbread house now that we've got the packaging off of it. Don't know what else to expect. You get nice crack in the icing there. You know, I'd like to see a little better quality control than that. Can't believe that left the factory. Alright folks, that's going to wrap it up for today. Again, that was your Wilton Ready Decorate Gingerbread House Kit. Here it is, all unboxed. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, and folks, make sure to ring that notification bell. Make sure you get those notifications. Anyway, have a great Christmas. I'll see you guys next time.